Hey, TikTok enthusiasts! In today's video, I've got a quick tutorial for you on how to hide your following list on TikTok, ensuring that only you can see it. Let's get started. First, you should check whether your TikTok is updated or not. If it is not updated, then this feature will not come in you. So update it first. Once the update is complete, the next step is to open TikTok on your mobile device. Once you are in, click on the profile option at the bottom right corner. After that, click on the three lines at the top right corner. In the menu, click on the Setting and Privacy. Once you are in the settings, click on the Privacy option, which is usually a second option. Now, scroll down until you find Following List option. When you find it, click on it. When you click on it, a small format will appear in front of you. Here, you'll see two options. The first is Everyone and the second is Only Me. Select the second option, that is Only Me. This ensures that only you can view your following list. Simple, right? And there you have it. Your TikTok following list is now hidden from prying eyes. If this video was useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.